Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by listing the exact sounds you must capture and why they matter for intelligibility. Start with a short sample sentence and play it slowly. This reveals stress and vowel quality. Once done, open an IPA chart and mark symbols for vowels and consonants you hear. Make sure to note primary stress and syllable breaks immediately. This approach minimizes guesswork and sets a concrete scope, so every subsequent step transcribes sound by sound rather than guessing from spelling. Now you slow the audio and segment into syllables, marking primary and secondary stress as you go. For each segment, map the perceived sound to its IPA symbol, adding diacritics for length, nasalization, or aspiration when necessary. Once mapped, examine connected speech patterns, linking consonants, vowel reduction, or elision, and adjust symbols to reflect those processes. Make sure to re-listen after every few words, so your symbol choices match the acoustic reality rather than finish by writing the complete transcription with prosodic markers for pauses and intonation. Once done, play the sample at 0, 75x and 1, 25x speed to confirm subtle articulations and adjust diacritics where needed. Make sure to compare your result with native speaker references or a pronunciation dictionary for consistency. If something still sounds unclear, isolate that segment, amplify it, and try multiple speakers or recordings. Use that contrast to resolve ambiguous symbols and finalize an accurate transcription.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.